Jacob Wheeler here, and today I want to talk to you a little bit about your electronics, specifically your Lowrance unit. That's what I run right now, and it's really a great unit for trying to find those fish offshore. This is the time of year, it's hot, it's warm outside, it's almost 85-degree water temperature, and these fish are going to get in their summer haunts, get out there really deep. And one thing that I utilize this unit for a lot is actually looking for actual fish, looking for specific groups of fish, schools of bass. And I want to sort of show you how I set my unit up and the way I like to have my unit set up to where I can graph and be the most efficient. Okay, so all we have to do right here is go to pages. You're going to go to the top screen, and with this new Lowrance, you have a page editor. So you can choose what you want, whether it's a chart, sonar, structure scan, whatever you want and what you prefer in your unit. So for me, I'm going to go to this page editor. And first off, I definitely want to be able to have my chart. So I'm going to first go in here, I'm going to slide chart in there. Okay, so second of all, what's important to me is structure scan. Okay, so I'm going to make sure to have that in there. And then try to also add another structure scan in there. So you're going to have side scan and then you're going to have down scan. So this is my setup. And then I don't really like how this is set up right here. I want to change up the format. So now I go to the top where two are on the top. I want to bring my structure scan down here. That way I can see the most, like you basically have the full screen. You're seeing the majority of your structure scan. You're seeing the majority of what's going on to the right and what's going on to the right, the left, and you're usually utilizing that full screen. You just don't have as much as you will normally. You can still go back and everything. So now this is my favorite setup right here. So you have a chart, you have down scan, you have structure scan, side scan, and now you're ready. So if you see fish on this, you can utilize that, you can waypoint them, you can see what the contours are on this, and then you can see what's on the side of you in this. You're ready to go. You're ready to try to find the schools of bass out there in the summer. This is how I personally like my Lowrance unit set up, but you know, there's so many different choices with the page editor system. Whatever you prefer, you just have to go into that and you can customize it, and that's what I love about it. But you know, hopefully these tips help you out and catch a few more bass this coming up season.